Good afternoon, student. My name is Mr. Ken Olada, geography teacher. I'm here to present to you a topic on map reading, to be specific, conventional symbols. And because of this, we shall take it one after the other. And that is to say, first and foremost, from the concept, that's the meaning of conventional symbols, types of conventional symbols, and the examples of conventional symbols. Now, without wasting our time, let's start from the words meaning of conventional symbols. What is conventional symbols? Conventional symbols are various sign symbols that are used on map by the map makers. I take it again. Conventional symbols are symbols that are used by the map maker on the map. Now, and these conventional symbols are used to represent both natural and man-made features on the map. That is to say, the physical features and natural features. Now, what are these conventional symbols of the map? It means that if you look at this very particular map, topographical map, we understand that there are different types of words, features on this map, different color, different signs, line, using dots, using what? Abbreviations, and using what? Dots, and what have you. So now, first and foremost, this conventional symbol we need to understand on a particular map. Where can we find these conventional symbols? Now, the conventional symbols are always at the bottom of the map. Are always at the bottom, just like this. We can understand that these ones are what? Different type of sign with their words, meaning, line, dot sign, and different type of what? Features, such as settlements, roads, railways, heights, and forestation, and the water body. That is for what? Different type of what? Features that can be used to represent conventional sign and symbol. Now let's go for the types. Type of conventional symbols. There are 4 common types of conventional symbols. One is point symbols. Point symbols. Point symbols simply implies to the type of what? Conventional sign symbols, where we use points or dots. Where we use point or dots. Now let's take a look at this map. We will notice from this map we have different type of settlements where dots are used to represent build-up areas, settlements, which could be what? Village or city, irrespective of the location. It means that on this map, if we can look at it critically, we understand that wherever we have dot, it implies to be what? Settlements, build-up areas. That is what we mean by what? Point symbols. Point symbols. Another type of what? Conventional symbol is line symbols. Line symbols implies that where we use line to represent a specific feature, which is what? Physical or artificial, in terms of what? Social or whatsoever. Now, to be specific here, looking at this, we will see that here we have this type of map. On this map, we have what? Line used to represent a particular what? Feature. And what is this? Is a road on the map. If you have to draw the road, there is no how we can show it as it appears on the real life. But using this type of what? Sign is very what? Self-explanatory. And that is what we mean by what? Line symbols. Now we have pictorial symbols. Pictorial symbols. Pictorial symbols implies to the what? Types of what? Sign or different type of what? Feature in terms of drawing, whereby the cartographers will use them to represent a specific object or feature. Now, let's go by this now. Here, as you can see on this map, we can see we have a sign like this, which represents what? Vegetation. That is vegetational distribution, scattered vegetation. So also we go around, we see the way it appears. So all this now, it shows what? This environment, there are scanty vegetational distribution. That's something such as grass. And here, we equally have another one, which represents what? Like what? Forests. And all these examples, we need to understand that they are regarded as pictorial symbols. Another pictorial symbol here, let's consider this. Here, as we can see, these are the sign and these are the meaning. These are the sign and these are the meaning. All these, they are good example of what? Pictorial symbols. Now lastly we have the literal symbols. Literal symbols. As the name implies, they are type of what? Sign or symbol that we use to represent features that cannot be presented in form of what? Drawing, but in form of what? Abbreviation. Now, such as this, we have something like this now. Examples like this, where we have different type of what? Sign, as it is here. This is what? Police station. But there is no how you expect the map maker to draw the specific police station in form of what? Building and whatsoever it is. As it is, but we can see the abbreviation as it appears. So like the same thing with school. Where we have school, we don't expect the map maker to draw the building of the school as the way it appears. The same thing with courts. You can see CT for courts. The same thing appears church, CH as it is. The same thing equally appears to some of these examples. It means that we use abbreviation of words, letters to represent a particular feature. And some of these other examples are major roads, that is a sign, general sign that irrespective of the country or irrespective of wherever we find ourselves, is a general language. The same thing, railway, building, just like I told you before, settlement and mosque. So that is all about words, example of conventional symbol. Now with this, I'm going to give you an assignment which is going to be take home. And what exactly is the question? The question is this. Form a simple conventional symbol using the following features. Now, if we can equally go back to these words from the words concepts of the meaning, the types, using all these words as one of the examples, one after the other. So we come to this now, equally go through this one, that is the printed map, that's a specific topographical map. Now, the same thing can equally be applicable here on our own, according to our own understanding. You just take imagination of forests. How does it look like? And what exactly you desire to choose to represent forests? The same thing with settlement. If you can have building here to be represented like what? In form of this. It can as well be represented in form of words, points, that is dots. It's up to you, you can decide. And the same thing as river. We look at river, the way the river appears, it's what? Line words, symbols. So, as it is, the same thing, think of it, suitable sign or symbol that can be applicable to this, road as well as that. It was not necessary to be like this. You can modify your own in a simple way, so as what? Railway, market. And this is what? Literal symbol, where we use abbreviation, schools, and that is all about the assignment. And you have to submit the assignment via what? The WhatsApp number. These are my number 09054332221. Thank you for listening.